Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get the attendance of asynchronous delivery of learning. So if you want to know more about this topic, please watch this video until the end because for sure you will be learning a lot from it. This is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my channel. So let's jump into my computer. I'm now in my Google Classroom and let me open one of my classes, which is foreign language. And today I'm going to send them a video for them to watch because their modality of learning is asynchronous. Most of my students here in foreign language are working. They cannot get into the classroom on time. So I will be giving them only until 12 o'clock today to see the assignment. I will be getting their attendance by clicking Classwork. And after we click Classwork, let's click Create. And I'm going to click Question. Here I'm going to type attendance for today. I'm also going to type the date and I'm going to write an instruction. So I'm now done writing the instruction for this subject. What I've written here is, good afternoon, our lesson for today is in Module 9, the use of do not, pages 22 to 24. Please watch the video below and click present for your attendance today. Stay safe, and also I've written here the link where they can watch the video for this lesson. Now I'm going to click here beside this arrow beside the short answer, and I'm gonna click multiple choice. So after clicking the multiple choice, it will lead you to this circle here, and I'll be changing option 1 to present. This part is what our students will going to click after they read this announcement or this instruction. After doing this, let's move on to the right upper portion of our screen. But before that, we will also change the points. So I'll only be putting 1 for attendance, 1 point for attendance. Also, I'm going to click the date and the time. Today is October 15, and also the time. Since it is an asynchronous delivery of learning, I will not be very strict with the time of their attendance, but they need to log in or check the announcement and click the attendance until 11:59 p.m. After setting the date and the time, let's assign this to all our students. You need to make sure that it is being assigned to all our students. Let's see if all the names of our students have check mark before their names. After checking this, let us now click Ask. After we click Ask, our students will be notified via their email. If they are not busy or they read it on time, then they can read our instruction, plus they can click the attendance right away. Or they may read what we sent anytime during the day. If we want to know who among our students have already checked the announcement that we made and logged their attendance in our Google Classroom, all we need to do is again to click the Classwork and check the announcement that we made earlier. This was the announcement that we made earlier. Now we can see that there is already one who turned in That means one among our students have already read the announcement that we made, and there is still 5 among our students who haven't seen yet the assignment. If we're going to check the attendance, you can check it in the left portion of the screen. There is already one here who logged in and checked our announcement, and the 5 other students haven't yet read the announcement that we made and haven't logged in for their attendance. So here, 1 have already checked in and logged in for their attendance, and 5 haven't seen the announcement yet that we made and haven't logged in for their attendance yet. So I hope you've learned a lot from this simple lesson. If you have anything in mind that you want me to make a video of it, please write in the comment section down below. And if you have any question, also write your question down below and I'll be glad to answer them all. If you think this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. Until my next video, bye! Stay safe everyone!